What's up guys, it's Phantom Force Videos here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a not a hard drive, whatever the heck this thing is, into your Xbox to give it more space. So let's get into this. So first I went to GameStop and I bought this used hard drive for $22 right there, pre-owned, because my Xbox sucks. Oh, I forgot, I got Connect. Cancel. So it really does. See, that's an example right there. So I'm gonna be showing you how to plant this into there with photo proof. Ready? Let's do this. So up first, you want to make sure you don't have any games in your console, which I had this one game in here. So let me go ahead and put that back where its place is. So at first, we should open this thing, right? I mean, I wish I had my stand right now. So I finally got it open. They glued it in there for some reason. There's like glue on the sides, but here it is. So I'm gonna have to install this right in there. So I'll show you how to open it up. So if you have an Xbox like mine, where this is like a dime, it's about a dime size, and it doesn't make a noise when you turn it on, then there should be a button right here on the side, which you push down and you pull out. And then that should happen. You have this out. So then this should be looking exactly like that, like a U, which it does. So let me just take this plastic coating on. So there we go. And you place it upright where it has a flat top. But before I do, let me go into my account real quick. So you should be in settings. Go to System, go to Storage, and you see how I got 1 gigabyte. See? I only have 1, which is only 1 million, which is not enough. So I'll show you what happens when I implant this in my Xbox. So see that 1? Not cutting the video. Let me go ahead and put this in here. My Xbox restarted. Wow. Wow, I guess it did restart. So let's see what it went from 1 to. Same thing again. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Now look at that. Look at that. I have all 2 devices, 107 gigabytes now. I went from 1 to 107 gigabytes. That is just plain awesome. And what should the box say? The box said it had 120. Wait. Look at that. You can't see that, can you? How about now? Can you see it now? 120 gigabytes. And I got 100 and... Oh, wait. I used some of it up. See? Oh, yeah. Wow. Well, that was pretty cool. Really cool. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you install a hard drive, or whatever you want to call it, flash disks, into your Xbox 360. The one that looks exactly like mine. It's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. It was on short notice as well as all the other ones, but I hope you liked it and enjoyed. Leave a like and comment down below what you thought about this video. And as always, subscribe, because if it's gray, you're subscribed, but if it's red, you're not. So if it's the color of my shirt, you're not. So go ahead and do that, and peace out.